going on, everybody? I know who it is, JJ. You know we back at it like an addict. Nobody have quit. I'm addicted to give me up. No, it's been a while. I haven't dropped a video. I feel like it's been forever, but I've been focusing on the grind, selling some cars, getting licensed to sell insurance. So been working on that. So I'm licensed. Like I said, I'm licensed to sell insurance. I got me some carriers, so now I can sell insurance. So when I sell a car, I can sell insurance along with the car. I mean, everybody's not going to switch, but hey, it's to give me a higher opportunity to make some more additional income. But we're about to just take a quick little walk around of this 2011 Mustang. I picked it up from Oklahoma Auto Exchange. I paid $2,000 for it. It was at Jenner's. That's why it's a little dusty right now. But I'm gonna take it to Mako. I had Jenner check the AC because the AC wasn't working. So let's take a look. It's 2011 Mustang. Has 160,000. Missing a little signal light. It definitely needs a paint job. Missing the emblem in the front. Missing that bottom little grill. They put some aftermarket headlights. They put some nice wheels and tires. Tires in good condition. I don't know why they didn't paint that. Why would you paint it red? I would have painted it blue. I mean, if the car is already blue, you should have just painted that blue. So, that would have made it look better. Or just painted it black. If you want to go paint it blue, you should have painted it black. Looked like they was already trying to prime it down to paint it. And who knows what happened. They put an aftermarket spoiler, put a backup camera, little hole right there. So, missing another emblem on the trunk. Missing some trim right here. I'm gonna try to find some blue. I'm gonna try to find some blue like this to put right there. Some little blue vinyl. Carpet all dug up. Look like they seats, but the seats ain't nothing. It ain't nothing to get a little set of back seats. Get this carpet put down the right way. Have my body people put this carpet down when they put the seats in there. I'm gonna make sure I grab the seats. They got the Apple CarPlay radio with the backup camera. Like I said, AC blowing cold. They did a little work. It sounded like they did a little exhaust work, but it sounded like they didn't. It sounded like a broken flex pipe or something, maybe. So I'm gonna have to take it to the exhaust shop. I just want to make sure there ain't nothing broken, or making sure there ain't no hole or exhaust, like a hole in the exhaust donut, or something like that. Maybe like an exhaust donut or the flange or something broke. So I'm gonna just make sure none of that's broke before I take it to Mako. But yeah, this just a before. Just gonna take it to Mako. 163,000 miles. 2011 Mustang. Let me know in the comment section below. Was $2,000 a good buy? And what y'all think of me getting my insurance license, selling insurance? I think it was just like the smartest thing to do, because now I can sell the car, I can finance, I can sell the car, I can do buy here, pay here, I can sell the person the insurance. So it's like, what else? I mean, if I'm already in the car business, I might as well do everything connected to the car business that I can do to make some money. So I'm smelling like a little exhaust right here. So I feel like it's probably like a hole or something in there if I was taking, because you can kind of smell like it ain't sealed all the way. Like how that sound, like I muffled down like there. So all the fluids are good, but I'm gonna check them all again. But I appreciate everybody for rocking. Let me know in the comment section below. We're gonna do one last walk around, but let me know in the comment section below. Was $2,000 a good buy? One last walk around. Like I said, we got the AC working. That's nothing. Hopefully they got one at the salvage yard. I can go grab all this little miscellaneous stuff off, little trim pieces, while it's getting painted. Then once it's getting painted, I can get everything thrown in and clean. I get everything thrown in and cleaned up and be ready to go. Gonna paint it back this blue right here. Put like, tell them put a little flakes in it, like this same blue, but a little metallic. Little that same blue, but a little metallic. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's. Go to O'Reilly's and get this paint, and I'm gonna paint these door trims myself. I'll paint this myself, because when you take it to Mako and they want to paint these trims, that's when the costs start adding up. So I just want y'all to paint the car back this color, and I'll go to O'Reilly's and paint this door and that door trim and underneath this hood the same blue. Like I said, it's a 2001. You can really see it, 163 on the miles. Y'all see that brand new AC compressor in there. Appreciate everybody for rocking with me. I ain't gonna say I'm back, but I'll try to just drop some videos sparingly, just because now I'm trying to work 5 days. I'm trying to do 5 days a week selling cars, you know, because I'm like, man, I'm doing 6 days a week, so I want to do 5 days a week selling cars. 5 days a week selling cars. It's actually selling, but I want to be selling insurance every day. I want to take a whole day where I'm doing like marketing and actually building, like one day where I'm actually taking off and marketing and trying to build my insurance business up, because, you know, so I might, you know, who knows, I might just start working 5 days a week, because I mean, I feel like if I can, you know, 6 days, it seems like a lot, even though it's not hard work, you know, it's just selling cars, but it's still, you know, just every day dealing with customers and everything is just an everyday thing. But I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Let me know in the comment section below your thoughts. Only code that popped up was an O2 sensor, oxygen sensor, which I understand, you know, the pipe's off, so obviously that's going to be on. And then the tire pressure light too, but that's because of the tires. Appreciate everybody. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm out. Peace.